Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to go over the process of connecting your Deribit API to SignalPlus. It's a fairly simple process, so without further ado, let's dive in. The first step is to create a SignalPlus account. You can do that by visiting our website at t.signalplus.com and registering there. Once you're done, you'll be greeted with this screen. As you can see, there isn't much information shown yet. The next step is to connect an API from your exchange to our platform. To do that, look in the top left corner. There's a small triangle you can click on. This is where you'll find all your exchange connection options. Click Add New Account and select your desired exchange. In our case, it will be Deribit. Once you click on Deribit, you'll see a few options. If you don't have a Deribit account, you can create a new one here. I already have a Deribit account, so I'm going to click API Connect. Here, you'll need to get the API key from Deribit. We have a comprehensive guide with detailed instructions and screenshots if you click on how to create an API key. Now we need to log into our Deribit account. At the top right corner, there's a person icon. If you hover over it, a drop-down menu appears. Select API. As you can see, I don't have any API keys yet, so we'll click Add New Key. Select Deribit Generated Key. On the next screen, we need to enable read and write access for block trade, block RFQ, account, and trade, and give the key a name. Once that's done, copy the client ID into the API key field and the client secret into the API secret field on SignalPlus. Click Confirm. It'll take about a minute to process, and then you're ready to trade.